Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you cob light and torch light testing. Here you can see that there is powerful torch light, there is solar panel, there is another torch light and there is cob light. Here you can see that. Now let's turn on, and in today's video I want to show you testing of this light. Here you can see that power of this light. There is torch light in yellow color. There is cob light.